If you are into cryptocurrencies, you must be aware of decentralized finance. DeFi presents you with a set of tools that can multiply your income and increase your investment value. Now, most part of DeFi is done manually, which means if you wish to stake or maybe farm your tokens, you need to do it manually. And with that comes the opportunity cost. Now, what if there is one single tool that can help you automate your portfolio and increase your earning without the core knowledge of financial tools? Well, that's what the project is about. Welcome to Katos Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video, I will talk about Nova Finance. Nova brings an automated tool that will help you diversify your portfolio and help increase your overall investment value just by click of a mouse button. I will talk in length about this project, so do watch the video till the end. And before I start, as ritual, I welcome you on board. If you are new here, do remember to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive weekly crypto notification. And if you are a reader who wish to read about this project and any other cryptocurrency project of your choice, just visit the description box and click the website, which is katoshub.com, and browse every article of your choice. Now let's start with Nova Finance. Before I talk about the project, allow me to introduce you to the platforms on which we are active. We are active on YouTube, but we are also active on Twitter and Meta. If you wish to spark a conversation with us, do drop your tweet on our Twitter handle, which is KatosTubes. Now let's start with Nova Finance. Nova Finance is a portfolio management platform that is built on a programmable asset framework. It is designed in the way that any investor can onboard on the platform and create its own portfolio without worrying about the financial concepts. Built on Solana blockchain, it aims to connect a normal investor with the industry experts. Any investor can replicate or take part in the portfolio which is designed by the industry experts, and by doing so can maximize their earnings. Now, not only that, the whole design philosophy of designing Nova Finance is built around three core areas. Number one is to provide easy access of the digital assets to everyone. Number two is to maximize value. And number three is automation over education. Yes, that's a core principle of Nova Finance. It wants to automate your portfolio and at the same time will reward you with the maximum returns without you doing any manual work. That's how the core concept of Nova Finance is, and that's how it differentiates itself from the competitors, or let's say other DeFi protocols. Now, to run Nova Finance, we need something called as nAssets. Now, nAssets are your synthetic assets which replicates or captures the value of actual assets. For example, you created an nAsset which contains a Bitcoin value at the current market price. Now, according to the portfolio, it is set in a way if the Bitcoin hits 50% of its initial value which is deposited, it will be converted into Ethereum, and then the further Ethereum will be staked to give you maximum earnings. It only functions because it is part of the programmable framework. Without nAssets, it will be impossible for Nova Finance to function. That's why nAssets are synthetic assets that captures the value of real assets. It can be a stable coin, it can be a crypto, or it can be an NFT. An asset can be any form of digital asset. Now, one more thing, this may remind you of mirror protocol mAssets, which are the synthetic assets of the actual stocks. If you want to learn about mAssets or mirror protocol, just click on the link above and watch that video about mirror protocol. It is also one of the amazing crypto projects. As we speak, the nAssets are further divided into three parts, which are your RV asset, you have TP assets, and you have CP assets, which are explained right here with each having a different set of functions. Now, after explaining the type of assets, I must say that these are just a beginning. There will be more nAssets which will be added to the Nova Finance protocol. You may want to learn how nAssets are created. So this is quite a complicated process. It has something called as SPLU and SPLM. If you want to learn about the complete process, how nAssets are created and further managed, you can click on the link in the description box and read my post on Nova Finance. In the post, I have explained in depth about Nova Finance and how the complete process is done by giving a real world example from the white paper itself. So that completes the creation part, and now I will take you through programmability of nAssets. So there are two ways in which the nAssets are programmed. That are conversion integration and vault deposit. Now when I say conversion integration, the name speaks for itself. By conversion I mean converting one form of asset to another form. Let's say you have BTC in your portfolio and further you want to convert it into ETH and further you want to convert that ETH into Solana. That is kind of conversion integration, which is an automated process if you use nAssets using the programmable framework. Now second is vault deposit. Vault deposit is about delegation of your asset to maximize your returns. So this is how nAssets are programmed. Now since Nova Finance is a crypto project and it should be decentralized in nature, and for that we have Nova Coin. Now Nova is the native token of Nova Finance and it is primarily a governance token. Now if I talk about the token supply, the total supply is just limited to 10 millions, and if you want to learn the breakup of the tokens, you can check the chart right over here and observe the complete breakup of the Nova tokens. After the tokens comes the team members. The project has two co-founders by the name Adam and Tom. Adam has 7 years of experience in the blockchain industry, while Tom holds 5 years of experience in the fintech companies. Now both Adam and Tom has already co-founded a company earlier by the name Sage City. Now the rest of the team can be seen right here. That completes the details about the team members. Now before I take you to the next part, let me explain one thing which is very important about Nova Finance. nAsset doesn't have any locking period, which means as an investor, you can take part and join any of the portfolio. And once you join the portfolio, you can convert your tokens into nAssets to get maximum returns. But at any point in time, you can convert that nAssets back to your tokens and move out of the system without any cut. That's the beauty of nAssets or Nova Finance as a whole. There will be no charges if you withdraw your tokens at any point of time. Apart from this benefit, there is another benefit of having an nAsset. nAsset is minted on Solana blockchain, which means it holds SPL token standard, which also means that nAsset will be accepted by any other DeFi protocol built on Solana blockchain, which is again an amazing part of having an nAssets. Moreover, it has an affiliate marketing program, which means let's say you are a portfolio creator and you created a portfolio and let's say 100 users join on your portfolio. Now by doing so, 10% of the earnings of the total portfolio will goes to you. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing program of Nova Finance. So these are some of the key benefits which I would like to highlight about Nova Finance. And the final part, is Nova Finance safe or should you invest in it? The answer is it's too early to comment. It will take some time for the project to mature and to launch completely. Of course, it is filling the much needed space, and that is automation. No one has ever published this kind of concept, and if it gains traction, it can give a next million users to Nova Finance within a span of, let's say, maybe 1 year. DeFi space is growing, and that's why there is a huge potential for Nova Finance to spread its wing. But only time will tell how far this project can grow. So this completes my review of Nova Finance. I hope you enjoy watching the video. If you like it, do like and share, and do watch the video shared on the screen. I'll see you in the next video with a new content. Till then, take care and have a